You ready?
Are you ready?
Is everybody ready? Ready? You ready?
Oh, that was the other thing I noticed. The booster juice.
Oh, he fell right over. He's coming over. Oh, he missed. He's going in a big circle.
Ripped raspberry or ripped berry or whatever.
Keep going. He's going in a big circle.
And it's really good for you, right? Weight Watchers.
Again?
8 points. So it's like, it can't be that good for you.
Yeah.
You ready? You got yours going? Not yet?
Okay, you gonna jump?
You ready?
Let's go.
You ready?
Yeah, right.
You ready?
Yeah,
Sure? Are you ready? You don't look ready.
Not on the couch.
Oh,
There he goes.
He fell over too.
Yep.
Where did he go? Where did he go? You want to do the monkey for a change?